Hey my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making these amazing cream filled donuts. Now let's get to cooking. So guys, to make my pastry cream, I'm adding my half and half to my bain-marie. Then I'll be adding some vanilla and sugar to taste, and I'm just going to leave that to boil. Now while that's boiling, in another bowl I'm going to combine cornstarch and egg yolk, and this is going to thicken my pastry cream. And all the ingredients will be listed down in the description below. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. Now that my milk is at the perfect temperature, I'm going to gradually add it to my egg mixture, and I'm going to slowly whisk that in. I didn't want to add my yolk to the milk because it will just curdle. Down with you, let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're. Now I'm going to add that mixture to the other half milk, and I'm just going to whisk that until it's thick. And this, guys, is the thickness you want for your pastry cream. Just beautifully thick. So now I'm removing my cream from the heat. Then I'm going to place a piece of saran wrap on the surface just so it doesn't form a skin. I'm just going to leave that at room temperature until it's cool. There's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down. So now guys, to make our donuts, we have flour, yeast, milk, sugar, our egg yolk, butter and water. Okay guys, so I'm going to stir together the warm water, the sugar and the yeast, and I'm going to let it rise for about 5 minutes. Let's take it slow. So now I'm going to combine the rest of the ingredients, and it's best to use a dough hook to do this, guys. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. You hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. And I'm going to mix this until it forms a ball. Now I'm going to roll the donuts, and I'm going to be using my 3-inch water glass. You can use a cookie cutter. I didn't have any, so I'm using the 3-inch water glass. Or you guys can use any size glass or cookie cutter you guys have. Now I'm placing that on a baking tray and I'm going to let it rise for about an hour in a warm temperature until it's doubled in volume. So okay, now guys, now that the donuts have doubled in size on medium to high heat, I went ahead and I add more oil. Now I'm going to test it to see if if it's perfect, the temperature is perfect. And now that it is, I'm just adding my donuts and I'm going to cook them on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are golden brown. And make sure that your oil isn't too hot, or else it's just going to burn the outside and the inside won't cook. Now this is the perfect color you're looking for on your donuts. Golden brown. I mean, if you want your donuts darker, you guys can. But I love my donuts looking like this. Just beautiful. Now I'm transferring them to paper towels, or you can use a wire rack to drain them. Now I'm off to my second batch. All you guys need to do is just repeat the process. Now guys, look at my donuts. Just beautiful. The texture is amazing, guys. They were so soft. I mean, you're gonna see also. Look at that. Look how soft they are. Look at that. You did that, girl. Okay, yeah, they were perfect, guys. So now guys, I'm covering them in granulated sugar, and this is a fine granules. So yeah, just cover them in granulated sugar or powdered sugar if you guys have. Okay, now guys, so with a piping bag, I'm going to pop a generous amount of pastry cream in the center of the donuts. And there you have it, guys. Our cream filled donuts are ready. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.